Hi everyone, Aliza Schatzman here, President and founder of the Legal Accountability Project, or LAP. Happy May Day. May Day recognizes the workers' rights and labor movement. But today I want to talk about a subset of workers who are exempt from labor protections, the more than 30,000 federal judiciary employees nationwide. That's right, if you work for the federal courts in any capacity, you cannot join a union, you cannot organize. Those who know LAP's work know that I focus a lot on judicial law clerks. Those are term positions, a year or two. But that's actually the vast minority of folks who work for the federal courts. Most federal courts employees are permanent, long-term employees, pretrial and probation services, permanent court staff like court clerks, federal public defenders, judges. These are all people who will spend decades working for the federal courts, exempt from all labor, union organizing, civil rights, and anti-discrimination protections. Now, there is a bill called the Judiciary Accountability Act, or JAA, that would extend Title VII as well as labor protections to the federal courts. Now, in the absence of these protections, frankly, decisions are made about more than 30,000 federal workers without giving them a seat at the table, without the ability to union organize and demand better working conditions, demand their rights. I see employees subject to outrageously long hours and terrible working conditions. Of course, they're exempt from the ADA, so no reasonable accommodations for disabilities. Judges literally have legal immunity for harassing, firing, and retaliating against their staff. Now, Congress has failed to act on the JAA, but your voice is your vote, so demand your member of Congress act to protect more than 30,000 vulnerable and exempt judicial branch employees. And if they won't act, 2026 is an election year, so fire them and elect somebody who will.